I replaced my entire personal Notion setup with an AI app builder, not because I stopped believing in what Notion's doing, but because we're entering the next phase of custom software. Notion changed the game for so many by giving people the tools to build systems that felt personal. Databases, templates, content dashboards, workflows built around the way we think and work. But AI is allowing us to take this a step further. We're moving from customizing software to creating software. And the difference here is quite simple. Instead of changing our workflows to suit a software, we change the software to suit our workflows. And that's what led me to build a completely personalized productivity hub. Not because Notion wasn't capable, but because I wanted something designed entirely around the way I operate. My travel, my tasks, my content, my life admin, my ideas, my routines, everything in one single place. Now I've got a single source of truth for everything that is me. I open up my application, I speak with my AI model, and it understands if it needs to create a new task, if a new flight detail is being included, or I've got a new stay at an Airbnb. If I have a random thought while walking down the street, something about a task I should complete or a new idea, I don't want to have to decide which database that lives in. Instead, I just want to capture it. So I open up my app, I activate the voice message, and the system figures out the rest. Now, I've been building this over the last month, and with Zite, I've been able to build it while I'm getting my other tasks completed. Zite is an AI app builder that makes it possible to create software tailored to your own workflows without needing a development team. And I think we're entering the most exciting phase in software, custom software. This app gives me a better runway to start my day. I wake up, I stretch, I have my morning movement, and I know the tasks that I always have to complete. If you want to learn how you can build something similar to what I have done here, how I set up the backend through Zite databases, the workflows and automations, connecting this to the rest of my tech stack, but most importantly, building a customized tool that's personalized the way that I think I work, well, ask me, let me know, and I'll share some more content on how you can build something similar for you, your team, your friends, whoever it might be.